Hi, I'm Dave Gripe, and today we're going to talk about our CTC, C76, and C555 circular M12 connectors. The C76 connector is a 5-pin Turk connector. At the time we designed this connector, the Turk was the best commercially available alternative for use with the CSI 2130 5-socket connector. The C76 has a robust plastic body with a metal locking ring and has a narrow collar on the front to hold the locking ring in place. C76 is very strong, very durable, also has a heat shrink on the back for strain relief. The connector is epoxy filled for added strength. While the best available connector at the time we began manufacturing it, over time we realized it had some shortcomings that could be improved upon. C76 narrow ring along the front can be broken if the metal locking ring is over tightened, causing the cable to fail and pull out of your data collector. To improve upon the shortcomings of the C76 connector, we designed the new C555 connector. The C555 connector also has a metal large locking ring. The new locking ring is larger and also has a ratcheting feature when tightening down. At the front of the connector, the 5-pin circular M12 insert has a larger, more robust ring to retain the metal locking collar. The cable also has a very strong but very short strain relief in order to assist in maintaining the cable integrity. Internal to the strain relief and the locking collar is a ratcheting feature which allows the cable to be tightened down and not loosen from the 5-socket connector on the CSI 2130 and 2140. The smaller outer diameter also makes it more convenient to use 2 of the C555 type connectors on the CSI 2140, which has 2 of the 5-socket M12 connectors for acceleration input, as opposed to the single acceleration input on the CSI 2130. This has been a brief overview of the C555 and C76 data collector connectors from CTC. Remember, when reliability matters, connect to confidence, connect to CTC. Thank you.